Welcome to the instructions video for the Microscope Resolution Abbe interactive calculator. This tool helps you determine the theoretical resolution limits of optical microscopes using the famous Abbe diffraction formula. It calculates both lateral and axial resolution based on your optical setup parameters. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter a few key parameters. First, input the wavelength of light you're using in nanometers. For example, let's enter 550 nanometers for green light. Next, enter the numerical aperture of your objective lens. We'll use 1.4, which is typical for an oil immersion objective. Then specify the refractive index of your imaging medium, such as 1.52 for immersion oil. The calculator will then compute your lateral resolution using the Abbe formula, along with the axial resolution and depth of field. These results tell you the smallest features you can resolve and the thickness of your in-focus region. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.